Hi students, today I am going to explain you exercise 4.3 part 2 that is from question number 7. Try to understand it properly. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 toward the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victim. Write a linear equation to satisfy this data. Okay, see, let Amini contribution be X, and another one is Fatima contribution be Y. According to question, see, this is the contribution of Yamini and this is the contribution of Fatima. But together they pay how much? Rupees 100. Finish. Okay. Then after you have to draw the graph also. X is equal 100 when plus y on that side, it will become minus 1. Then make a table x, y. Here in place of y, if you put 50, then 100 minus 50 is become 50. If you put here 40, then it will become 100 minus 40 become 60. Then if you put here 60, then it will become 40. Okay, then draw the graph. See how you will do it. Here এইখিনিত এটা বস্তু তোমালোকে মন দি চাবা, এই নাম্বাৰ যিমান গিটা আছে সেইকেইটা যাতে ওচৰ পাজৰ নম্বৰ হয়। ইফ ইউ পুট 1 here, যদি ইয়াত তুমি 1 বহাই দিয়া, suppose in place of y I put 1, then it will become 99. This one is much more bigger. Then for drawing graph you will got little higher. Okay, that's why এনেকুৱা নম্বৰ বহাবা তাতে ওচৰ নম্বৰ হয়। তাত এতিয়া আমি 1 2 3 4 5 ধৰা নাই ইয়াতে বুজিছো চোৱা। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This one is x-axis, this one is x this, and this one is y this, y, and this one is y this. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So এইটো সাইডটো ঠিক তেনেদৰে 1 2 3 4 তেনেকৈ দি দিলোঁ। এতিয়া if you write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, তেতিয়া ইয়াত আমাৰ x ৰ হাইয়েষ্ট ভ্যালু কিমান আছে? 60। বহুত দূৰ পাব। Then you have to do, you can do like this with 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 10 20 30 40 50 60 minus 10 minus 20 minus 10 minus 20, like this way you can do. Okay, then 50 and 50. Here 50, this side x, value of x is 50 and value of y is also 50. Then here this one will be 50 comma 50. Then value of x is 60, value of y is 40. 60 comma 40. Then value of y is x is 40, value of x is 40, y is 60. 40, 60. Then see, when you are doing, then you will got a line. That means your calculation is right. Okay. Now next is what? If present age of son and age father are represented by x and y respectively, and after 10 years father will be twice as old as his son. Let father age be x and son's age be y. After 10 years, their ages are x plus 10 and y plus 10. Okay, this is their present ages. After 10 years, ইয়াত 10 years এড হ'ব, বাপেকৰ 10 বছৰ বাঢ়ি যাব, পুতেকৰ 10 বছৰ বাঢ়ি যাব। তাৰপিছত but according to question they are telling 10 years father will be twice as old as his son. X plus 10, here put equal, then y plus 10. Father age and son age can't be equal. That's why they are telling after 10 years father will be twice as old as his son. This is son's age, then multiplied by 2. Okay, it implies x plus 10 is equal to y plus 20. It implies x, when this 2y going to come this side, it will become minus 2y is equal 20. When plus 10 going that side, it will become minus 10. Then it will become x minus 2y is equal 20 minus 10 is equal 10. Okay, then you have to do the graph. For doing graph, I am showing this one. এখানে দেখুৱা আছো তোমালোকে বেলেগ গ্ৰাফ বনাবা x y. Then here it implies it can x to সবলকে সহজ হৈ আছে, গতিকে আমি কি কৰিছো x to কে লৈছো। x is equal 10 plus 2y. Okay, x is equal 10 plus 2y. Then it implies x minus 2y is equal 10. It implies x is equal 10 plus 2. Okay, then in place of y, if you put 0, in place of y we put 0. 2 into 0 becomes 0. Then x is equal 10. Okay, if you put 1, 2 ones are 2, 10 plus 2 became 12. Then if you put minus 2, here this one is plus 2. If you put here minus 2 and plus 2, if you multiply minus and plus, it will become minus 2 to the 4. 10 minus 4 is equal 6. Okay, if you put here minus 3, then it will become minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal 4. Like this way you can do the graph. Graph is for your homework. Then rest part, see question number 4. Question number 3 is for your homework. Question number 4 is about fraction. That's why I am explaining. If the numerator of a fraction increased by 7 and denominator is decreased by 1, that fraction became this one, taking numerator x and denominator y. First, let the fraction be x by y. Okay, then according to question, x by y, What you have to do? Numerator of fraction is increased by 7. That means numerator is increased by 7 means x plus 7. And denominator is decreased by 1. That means decrease means minus. Is equal. Then the fraction became 3 by 2. Then what you have to do? You have to do cross multiplication. Then 2 into x became 2x. Then here also plus, here also plus, plus into plus, plus 7 to the 14 is equal 3y plus into minus became minus 3 1 the 3. It implies 2x when I take this side 3y is equal minus 3. When this one go on that side it will become minus 14. It implies 2x minus 3y is equal minus 7. Okay, when you have to do গ্ৰাফটো কৰাৰ সময়ত তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিম 2x গ্ৰাফটো কৰাৰ সময়ত এইটো চোৱা অকমান ক্ৰিটিকেল আছে 2x is equal minus 17 when this 3y on that side it will become plus 3y. Okay, then x is equal minus 17 plus 3y divided by 2. Then do that table x, y, at least 3 point you have to write. Now see here what you have to write. If you write here 1, then it will become, if you put 1, 3 ones are 3, then this one is plus 3 and this one is minus 17, it will become minus 14. Minus 14 by 2 is equal 7. Okay, then if you put here any number, then also it will be right. Ji boha pariba. Here ami eta bostu dekhi paisu ki here jodi ami 2 bohai diu, then amar result to pointer ulabo. Gotike ami tat ki boham 2 ৰে divide নোযোৱা number, odd numbers boham. Here odd numbers boham ta amar pointer ahane 7 aise. Here ami ebar 3 bohai saw. 3 is 9, 17, then plus 9. When from 17, when 9 goes, here 8 is left. 8 by 2 is equal 4. Okay, then if you put here 5, 3 5 is 15, then here minus 17. Sorry, here minus sign you have to put. If you put here 5, then 3 5 is 15. Here you are getting 15 and here plus, here minus 17. Then minus 2 will be left. Minus 2 divided by 2 is equal minus 1. Okay, like this way we have to do. Then see question number, next question. The perimeter of a rectangular plot of length is 66 meter. Taking its length as x meter and breadth as y meter, write a linear equation. Okay, see here one rectangle is there. This one is for homework only. Just I will show how to do. This is one of the rectangle. Length is x, breadth is y. Then here they are telling perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. For that you have to know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal 66 meter is given. Then perimeter of rectangle means 2 whole into L plus B is equal 66. 2 whole into in place of length we are taking x plus in place of breadth y is equal 66. Then x plus y is equal 66 by 2 is equal 33. Then rest portion I think you can do. Okay. Next question number 8 is there. That one is for your homework. Okay, thank you for today.